Blessed be everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to pick a tarot card for you. So this could be a message for you or a message that's coming through you to somebody else that you may know. Before we do anything regarding the cards, I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com, author of Crafting Your Wiccan Path. If you want to know anything more about Wicca, witchcraft, tarot, shadow work, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. And if you want to be on my mailing list to find out when my tarot reading course is coming out, then make sure that you've either signed up for my newsletter, the link is in the description field below this video, or there's other free information down there too that you can sign up for that will put you on my mailing list. Just make sure that you tick the box to say that you still want to hear from me after you've signed up. So today we're going to be doing a tarot reading from the Caitlin and John Matthews Arthurian Tarot deck. This deck I got as a birthday present, I think, way back in 1993, something like that. And I don't even know if you can still get this deck now, but it's a beautiful deck. So what is the message today? We have here the Sword Maiden. Beautiful card. This is Dindrain. I don't know if I've pronounced her name properly. This is a character in the Arthurian legends. And she is the Sword Maiden, which in most other decks would be called the Page of Swords. So what ideas have you got cooking up at the moment? Where do you need to clear the veil? Where do you need to see things more clearly? Have you got dreams and desires that you would like to turn into something tangible, but you just need to have that clarity of thought to be able to see what to do next or what it could even look like? What's your vision for yourself? What is it that you really want to be doing with your life right now? This can also be a message. Some of you may be taking exams or tests, and this could be the results. This could even be a report card for your children from school even. And as advice, it is telling you to draw back the veil and see with your sword the clarity. Maybe you've had some arguments or conflicts with somebody and you just need to take a step back and think things through with more clarity. Perhaps you could speak more clearly and to think about what it is that you really want to say before you say it. It may even be a call for you to be honest with yourself and to find ways to get your own truth across to somebody in some way. It can also be talking about the written word too, where you may be applying for maybe jobs or something where you have to be clear in your writing when you're writing the introductory email or letter. So where do you need to get clarity today? Where is that ability to step back and get clear with your thoughts and with your speech so that you can move forward in some area of your life? That's what I feel Dindrain, the Sword Maiden, is saying today. When I look at this card, I always remember when I first started learning these cards, the word I always associate with her is discernment. I don't know why I always feel that when I see her, but be discerning as well as something else that's coming through. How can you be more discerning about a situation and step back and discern what's going on rather than judgments, and not being judgmental, but being discerning. So there's a lot of messages coming through today. I'm getting lots of things coming through about this. But I'm getting the feeling, though, that whatever it is that you do, if you've got the clarity behind it and you're taking that step back to get that clarity, it's all going to work out quite well. Okay. So as I said before, if you do want to get on my mailing list to learn tarot, then sign up for my newsletter is probably the easiest way to do it if you're not already on my mailing list. At the moment, I've just almost finished doing the recordings. I'm recording all of the meanings of all of the cards, which is going to be like an appendix to the course. And that's been such a time-consuming thing that I'm almost finished. I've got 3 more cards to do. And then I'll get to work on establishing the dates for the release of the course and start to write up basically a sales page to let people know what's actually going to be in the course and when it's going to happen. So stay tuned to that. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. Blessed be.